Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have the Mazda Miata and we're gonna change the wiper blades. So for this car you're gonna have to buy two 18 inches wiper blades. I bought this brand right next, the only one that they have in Home Depot right here. To do so you just have to open this little thing right here and then you put the hook in and then you just slide the wiper blade until you heard the click. There we go, and then you put this clip all the way back until it pops, and you take off this protector and we're all set. So you have to do the same thing for the other one. Just to show you, to take this off, gotta lift the clip and then push it all the way down, just like this. So you might struggle a little bit, sometimes it's tough, but here we go, all set. We have the hook right here. Make sure not to hit the windshield because you can crack it. I'm gonna take the new one. Alright, and I'm gonna lift this thing. It's a little clip. There we go. I'm just gonna put it like this. I'm gonna put the wiper blade. I'm gonna slide it all the way up until it clicks. There we go. And then we put back the clip and pop it. Then we remove the protector and that's it. We're all set. If you have liked, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. As always, thank you for watching guys and see you next time. Bye bye.